Yes, good morning. Good morning. Have a nice day. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nur Al Madina at magbibisit tayo ngayon. Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko, meron silang promotion at travel. Ayan. For all you know guys, Nur Al Madina Marine is also one owner only. There's 3 branches now located in this Cornish area and Adman Saray. This Ajman Chamber. Here about you take live from Dubai, you take left side, left, roundabout left. Yeah. So this is the front side. Punta tayo sa loob at tingnan natin yung mga nilalaman. Yan. So guys, complete dito. Ito may mga sombrero na pang fishing. Ayan, so mga floater, malalaki. Andito ang mga braided line, bullsine. So mayroong ice braid na ayan, X12. Lahat ng braided line nandito, Litma. Yan, this is the new one, the phone. But this I think from Japan. And also this Chorinoya. So all jig available there. Everything is there. 20 grams, 30 grams. Have 100 grams, 60 grams. Everything is there. Maganda, di ba? So visit na kayo dito sa Nur Al Madina Marine. Nur Al Madina Marine. Ajman, ayan. Ganda ng mga jig nila, no? Nandito ang mga pamatay nating mga lure na bago. Ayan. The price is negotiable at talagang napakamura. Mura ng paninda rito. So please visit Nur Al Madina, located in Ajman. Ayan. So mga popper, nandito mga popper. Ayan. So lahat ng mga asisok nandito. So anyway, bibili din pala ako ng asisok. Kailangan ko rin ng asisok. Yeah, ito mga may favorite brand. This may favorite brand po na Daiko. Daiko is the best one. It's from Japan. Yeah, from Japan po na Daiko. This is the best. I use this hook for assist hook. Number 1. Shovel. So nandito lahat. So dito tayo sa mga rail. Ayan. Andyan po ang ating mga overhead. So ito mga spinning reel natin. Spinning reel. So visit lang po kayo Nur Al Madina. Ayan ha. Actually this is shop is so dito yung mga gustong bumili dyan ng ng pang gancho. Ayan pang gancho. So my friend, naman sa tuan 10 dirham. 10. O 10 lang daw. 10 lang. Ito malaki. This is the last size, no?
Big size also have.
Which, can I see the big size?
Here now don't have.
Okay. But this okay na ito. Pang gancho. Ayan.
It's a medium size.
Available. 10 daw ang isa. Ayan. Kung gusto naman niyo ng pang mamaw, ito po ang pang mamaw. Ito ang aking talagang gamitin. Black Mamba. Product po ng Masusi yan. 3.5. Black Mamba 3.5. PM kayo kung gusto niyo. Sabihin ko lang sa inyo ang price. Because hindi ako pwede magbanggit dito ng presyo kung magkano. Nandito ang Black Eagle din. 3.5. Black Eagle is the same like product of Black Mamba. Same like Black Mamba product, no?
Yeah.
Black Eagle.
Black Mamba.
Black Mamba nandito rin 2.7, no? Sa lahat ng mga beginner dyan, so PM nyo lang ako at ayan. Dito lahat available oh. Sa mga big game, ayan, ang ating mga malalaking mga may 900 grams, 1,000 grams, 300 grams. Ayan oh. Pang big game. Big game yan guys, yan. So ayan. So hindi ako may-ari nito ha. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na dito talaga makakabili kayo ng mura. Ayan. Kasi ito, since na mag-fishing ako, trusted ko itong Almadina Marine. Hindi ako lumilipat ng ibang bahay, dito pa rin ako. No, sa mga mahihilig diyang mag-jigging, casting, ayan, nandito ha. Ayan. Nandito ang mga lahat ng brand ng casting rod nandito. Oh, ayan, mamimili kayo. So murang-mura na. At PM nyo lang ako at sigurado makakabibigyan natin kayo ng discount ha. Yan. So pupunta tayo doon sa isang shop naman, yung bago. At doon tayo magbibideo. Yeah guys, bumili tayo ng assist hook na para, ayan, Falcon number 1 ang ginamit natin. Ito ay pwede natin kabitan ito ay 150 grams, 100 grams. Ayan, susok. Number 1. Product of Falcon, but you know, this is the best one for Nadaiko. This is my it's almost the same, but no. Product of Japan is the best one, number 1. Okay. Guys, also ay by floater. Ayan, maghanda tayo sa sabalo, pang mamaw na bangos. Maglilibang-libang ulit tayo. Ito, nandito yung Yosori oh. Ito ang gamit ko na 50 LB sa bangos. 50 LB. 50 LB and 45 LB. Ayan oh. This 81 mm 30 meters, no, not 77. This too much big. Only for big bangos, use only fluorocarbon o monoline 71 LB. This also the best one, you know, this brand is the best one. I use this brand, no.
Yeah, so
I use this brand. This number 1. This made in Japan. So I use this one. Nice one. Ayan, yes, nandito tayo sa second branch ng Bahar Almadina Fishing Equipment. Ayan. So, ito yung second branch. Location is the same. Cornish, Sajman. Ayan. So, please contact this number if you want to ask anything. Mga kabayan, ayan. So, hindi tayo sa second branch ng Almadina, para Almadina Fishing. Ayan. So, para dun sa loob, ayan, makikita natin. Parehas. Nandiyan ang mga Stradic. Oh, yung mga favorite, lahat ng mga spinning reel nandito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Dito pa rin ang wow, this is the new ha. This tukat only. Tukat ha. Spertan. Very nice. Brother, how many meter? How many meter that one?
they are right.
Okay, okay. So, it's right there, no?
Bro.
Ayan. Everything is there. Ito, pangmamaw na bangus. Ayan. Ganun din ang laman sa kabila. Same. Jig. This new shop, new open. This Stradic 5000 XG, Bamford, Ocean Jigger is there, 1500 XG. In Zaragoza 8,000. FX also FX there. Please visit Almadina. Almadina Marin is the best one to give you is a special discount for the price. Floater is there. Gloves, everything na. Also stock room in the app, no? Stock room in the app. Somebody asking about for the Black Mamba. Black Mamba is there. Where's Black Mamba, bro? Black Mamba is maybe another shop.
Maybe don't have.
Another shop maybe. So
Another shop here.
this is Daiwa Wave Force. Daiwa Wave Force there. Ayan. So this is the handsome boy.
Hi.
My friend, do you know what is the mechanism for the raffle?
Rapol already finished one.
Finish one, ah?
Yeah, already finished.
Okay.
Three Indian guy winner.
Winner, ah? Okay, so
First
finish.
prize Benford 4000 26 model.
Very nice.
Second prize Legalis 26 model.
Alright.
The 2.7 56 gram max.
Very good.
Or
So when the next
third
promotion?
prize Lidma 1.5 line.
Ah. When the next promotion?
The next promoter you speak boss here.
Don't worry, I'm go there. I'm coming there.
Okay, now boss have also.
Oh, this is my. If you want to go, if this is gancho, oh, kabayan, gancho, oh. The best.
This one only
Magkano? Gap, oh, magkano? How much?
Gabo.
How much?
This one 10 dirham.
Wow, oh. Yung lahat naman gusto mo bili ng gancho, gancho is there, available. Ayan, oh. Oh, soft bait. Soft bait, available, all soft bait. Yan, oh.
Bro, take this one. Sweet.
May promotion? No, thank you, but I'm not taking. Thank you so much.
Welcome, brother.
Yeah. So, Rishad is there.
Yeah.
I'll go another chef, ha? I post the video. Okay, please visit Almadina Marin. Almadina Marin, Achman. So, I'm here now. Yes. So, only I'm walking from another shop. These 3 branches already. This is the original before. This Almadina Marin original. This original branches before. Yeah. Everything is there. It's the first one. I could go inside. Maybe Arbab is there inside. So that's right. Maybe Arbab inside. I go inside. Maybe Arbab inside. Oh. Hi, bro.
Hello, how are you, brother?
My friend, long brother. This is the
How are
owner
you?
of 3 branches Almadina Marin. So that's why I'm coming here, and then the first shop, in the second shop I took video already.
Okay.
Everything is there.
Yes, brother.
Guys, visit Almadina Marin, have 3 branches now. Mr. Richard is there, and also any person to come here have give you special discount.
Inshallah.
Special discount, no? So I try to make rounding.
Okay.
This is Black Bomba. Black Bomba is there. Yeah. Black Bomba is there. Somebody asking about the Black Bomba. Black Bomba 3.5 is there, no? Yeah, this is Black Bomba. For the Mamaw Bangos, if you want Mamaw Bangos is there. If you want to check the casting rod is there, available. 2.7 and also deep sea 2.7, 3.0 available. Daliwa Legalis, and then Blow Sniper is there. Everything is guys, since before long time ago, no, when I'm starting fishing here in UAE, I think 15 years. I only one shop trusting here, only Almadina. Nobody, only Almadina Marin. Because Almadina Marin is give you a special discount, especially Filipino. And any person to come here in nationality, no? This very nice shop. See, this is Arbab, this is the first shop before, no?
Sorry?
First shop, first. This is first shop now. See, oh, Arbab is there. The seem like work here, no? He's working also. He's working also. Everything's fit is there, no? Clipper, scissor. Okay. This is the all spinning spinning reel. And also overhead is there available. So all hook available, no? This snap, this bikiki snap, everything is there. If you want to go crabbing, also is there, no? Saranggat ang tawag dito, or crabbing. The all floater is there for mamaw na bangos. Ayan, oh. And then also if you want to take asisok is available there. Ayan, no? This is Falcon number 17. This is Falcon asisok. But maybe I take that one, another one. I take for number 17. I take that one. This Punodaiko product. Mustard. This shock leather. Rakimoro is from Japan. Also Japan. Asisok, everything is there. Yan. Guys. Magsasawa kayo ng ng mga fishing items dito sa Almadina. Almadina Marine is the best tackles store and supply rin na Ajman. Naghahanap ako ng hook na akong gagamitin kong pang bakuko. Ayun. Hook pang sibrim. Pero mahaba. Parang dito may gusto akong susok. Tingnan natin dito. Somoy. Somoy is also another one. Good quality. Somoy. Guys, I take also this as a sock, no? Number 17. Sock. And then I check, take Somoy hook. This is the new model, Sedona 5000 XG. Sedona 5000 XG, new model, no? This new model, brother, no? New model Sedona, no? Siglon FX is number 1. See, the new model Sedona is unlike before, no? It's different. Ooh, it's very nice hook. Bro, can I wanna take message from you? Yeah.
Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? Inshallah, welcome to Al Madina within all branches. Inshallah, we'll give you a good discount, and inshallah, we have a raffle draw also
Yes.
for our customer.
Yeah.
Maybe we after send WhatsApp or with this.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Yeah. All Filipino fisherman here in UAE.
Inshallah, have a special discount.
Yeah, special discount. See,
Thank you guys.
special discount from Mr. Shaja. Thank you guys. Salamat. Please visit Al Madina Marine. You have to this one first branch. 1 and 2. Now available 3 branches now in Adsuman. So since before guys, I remember maybe I'm starting fishing here in UAE at more than 15 years. So I only want trusting shop. Al Madina is the best. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you and then God bless us all.